How to install Wise app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Wise app on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the search section, just tap on the search bar at the top, and there you can simply type Wise and search for it. And now here on the search result, just tap on Wise option, and after that you can just tap on install to start the installation process. And now here with that, you just have to wait for some time for it to be installed on your phone. And now here, once the app installs on your phone, you can just tap on open to launch the app. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.